is at Earl's,
Earl's
checking out all the waitresses.
Yeah, say hi, girl.
Oh, there he's checking out
Hi, lovely
that
lady.
one over there. No, he's checking out. Whoa.
Say, how you doing? How you doing? How you doing?
Oh my God.
Noah takes after daddy. Oh,
Look. Oh
Here,
my
go
goodness.
around to show him what there's all the girls here, right?
He's checking out all the waitresses.
Yeah, whoa.
Oh,
Hello.
checked out that one that walked out there. It was over here. Nothing over there. Oh, easy, buddy. Whoa.
Wow, hi.
Look at him. Yeah. Calm down,
Do
buddy.
your food first. Do your food. Yeah, I love it here. No, I love it here.
Gonna need some cash and some moves there, buddy.
Yeah,
Oh yeah. Look at over there. Check it out, those ones.